Every morning, millions of people open their eyes. They wake up, they stretch, they get out of bed, and they begin their day just like everyone else. They go to school, they go to work, they meet people, they smile, but inside something feels heavy. Their mind feels tired. Their heart feels full, but not in a good way. They don't know why. They say, I feel low today. I don't feel like talking. I don't know what's wrong with me. But nobody listens. Sometimes not even they listen to themselves. This happens to many people. And the reason is not bad luck. The reason is not weakness. The reason is something very real, something very important. It is called psychology. Psychology is not just a school subject. It is not just for doctors or scientists. Psychology is the science of the human mind. It explains why we feel the way we feel, why we make choices, why we cry, why we get angry, why we feel happy, why we suddenly feel empty. It explains all of it. And the truth is psychology is working inside you right now. It is with you when you are happy. It is with you when you are silent. It is with you when you laugh and when you break. You cannot see it, but it controls everything, your emotions, your habits, your behavior. Let's look closer. You feel happy. Why? Because your brain is releasing chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. You feel relaxed. Why? Because your thoughts are safe and your body feels calm. But when your thoughts are dark, when you say to yourself, I'm not good enough, I will fail, no one cares, your body starts to respond. Your chest feels heavy. Your sleep gets worse. You get headaches. This is not just in your head. This is your mind and body working together. Every emotion you feel has a reason. Psychology helps you understand it. Now think about habits. Why do we open our phone again and again? Why do we eat when we are not hungry? Why do we sleep late and feel lazy in the morning? It's not just willpower. It's programming. Your brain remembers patterns. It repeats what gives you quick comfort, even if it's bad for you. This is the brain's reward system. But the good news is, you can change it. Slowly, one step at a time. If you replace bad habits with small, better ones, like walking instead of scrolling, or writing your feelings instead of hiding them, your brain will start to follow the new pattern. This is also psychology. And then there are people, our friends, our family, our classmates. Sometimes they love us. Sometimes they hurt us. Sometimes they say nothing and still we feel everything. Psychology helps you understand others. Why they react. Why they shut down. Why they get angry. And also why you do the same. When you understand emotions, not just your own, but others, your relationships become better. Your heart becomes lighter. You don't always need to argue. You learn to listen. You learn to let go. And what about motivation? You want to study. You want to improve. But you feel tired. You don't feel strong. You delay things. You say, I'll do it tomorrow. This also has a reason. Your brain feels afraid. It feels unsure. So it protects you by doing nothing. But psychology says, start small. Very small. Just 5 minutes. Just one word. Just one sentence. And then do the next. And the next. This is how the brain builds momentum. This is how motivation grows. And now let's talk about stress. Stress is silent. It doesn't always scream. Sometimes it just makes you quiet. You stop laughing. You stop dreaming. You feel heavy for no reason. But there is a reason. Your thoughts are loud. Your body is tired. Your heart is carrying too much. So what can you do? You can breathe. You can take a short walk. You can write in a journal. You can talk to someone you trust. You can cry if you need to. This is not weakness. This is psychology, and this is healing. But psychology also teaches us what not to do. Stop saying bad things to yourself. Your brain is listening. If you say, I can't do it, your brain believes it. Say, I will try. Say, I am learning. Say, I am not perfect, but I am not giving up. And stop comparing your life to people on social media. What you see online is not real. It's edited, filtered, controlled. Focus on your own journey, on your own healing, on your own progress. And yes, protect yourself from people who only take your energy. If someone always makes you feel small, afraid, or useless, you have the right to walk away. This is not selfish. This is self-care. This too is psychology. So now we return to the beginning. That person who woke up feeling empty. That smile with a storm behind it. That confusion, that fear, that tiredness. What if that person understood psychology? What if they knew what was happening in their mind? What if they could speak kindly to themselves? Heal slowly and live peacefully? They could change their life. They could grow. They could breathe again. And you can be that person. You don't need to understand everything at once. Just take one idea, one step, one deep breath, and start. You are learning. You are growing. You are not alone. Even learning English is part of this journey. You need courage. You need calmness. You need belief. So say it now. I can do this. I will learn. My mind is my strength. And I believe you will go far. If this video helped you, please like it. And if you want more stories, more understanding, and more English, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for being here. And remember, the more you understand your mind, the more you will understand your life.